In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Christian Date app. So if you want to get the latest version of your Christian Date app, then I'll take you through a step-by-step process to update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues or any errors that might be associated with your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to update your Christian Date app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And then from Play Store, I'll search for the app. And as you can see, your Christian Date is here. And this app has an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of your Christian Date app. So to update it, go ahead and tap on Update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app. And once it has been downloaded, it will be installed on your smartphone. Now from here, you can proceed and tap on Open to start using the latest version of your Christian Date app. So that's how you can get the latest version of your Christian Date app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.